Hi, welcome to the Market Alert for Wednesday the 26th of November 2014. And starting off with the 5-minute chart, we can see that immediately the market opened yesterday afternoon. We have a signal, and then the market proceeded to move low with professional selling. You can see the red bars there, and when the market tried to reverse here, it continued lower and then found support down at the 17,800. So just to mark this trade up, you can see there the market being filled with selling, and then we've got the support down here, the psychological support, which I've spoken about many times. You can see there the market coming back for one bar and then eventually working its way back down to the psychological level where the market stayed for the next couple of hours before then starting to move back to the upside. So the potential profits in this trade is of course the first 20 points, but again the psychological levels, which I keep talking about in the market alert, are very important. You can see they're available on the table somewhere in the range of 37 points, and again purely and simply the psychological levels are very, very useful when it comes to having a profit objective, because most of the time the market will actually trade to these along with the pivot points as well. So we see the market trading down, finding support at the 17,800 and then eventually working its way back up towards where the market started to trade to originally. And then later on in the evening we get a signal at 1950. Again, the market's been quiet for the last hour, and there we see the market just filling the order there, and unfortunately the market reversing and then coming back up to take this one out with a 14-point loss. And then finally, before the end of the session at 8:30, had you have traded this one, I personally didn't, it was too late, we see the market then moving back down to the daily pivot there and the previous day's close with some selling. You see the traders getting out of their positions there with the selling there having been long, and then the market has just traded in a sideways range for the night. And of course today starts to see the beginning of the Thanksgiving celebrations. Now things have changed because the markets used to trade half day on the Wednesday, but according to ETX and others, the market is open for the full trading session today and closed tomorrow, and then half day on Friday now. So let me just give you the times, but I will cover these again on in tomorrow's alert. But of course then we've got nothing on Friday because the market is closed on Thursday. So today we've got normal hours from what I can see. Tomorrow the market is closed, and then on Friday US equities close at 6 p.m. The market closes for the Dow on Friday. So is it worth trading? Well, that depends. If you've got time to look at it, have a look, but be warned, it could be very, very, very quiet because, as I said in Monday's Market Alert, Thanksgiving is celebrated more than Christmas in the US. It's far more important. So a lot of traders will have long weekends from today. So again, just keep that in mind. If you do think about trading it, don't expect a lot, and you do open yourself up for potential losses as well. In the daily chart, we can see the market is sideways, trading towards the all-time high. There's a bit of a boost there to the upside, which we can see heading back towards the all-time high, which we'll just bring that down. We can see there at 17,892. We could see 17,900 hit today, just so that again you know a new all-time high is made before they finish for the Thanksgiving celebrations there. In the news today, let's slide all the way down to the US new home sales at 3 p.m. forecast at 471, previous 467. If this comes out better than forecast, expect a bit of a rally to the upside. That's at 3 p.m. So the market will have been open half an hour and we'll be waiting for this news. It's a high impact news item there. And finally, on the implied volatility front, 9.78 for the implied, 9.92 for the historical volatility. There you can see now that this, or rather these two, are together in the chart. We need to see the blue line below the yellow line, as I keep going on about, to have the perfect setup for another major correction in this market. Right, well, that's it for this morning. There's not a lot else I can say. Watch out for the news at 3 p.m. today. There hasn't been too bad for the last 2 days, considering that the market is heading in towards Thanksgiving celebrations. There has been a few profits around, more than I thought there would be, given the low volatility in the market at the moment. Right, I will see you in tomorrow's alert. Have a good day. As ever, thank you for your support. Very much appreciated. And as ever, thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.